This video is to guide you through the process of routine cleaning and maintenance for your Midea U. It is recommended to perform this cleaning every 2 weeks or as needed. Failure to follow these instructions could allow mold, dust, and debris to accumulate in the air conditioner and can lead to respiratory health issues. For this cleaning, you will need to supply the following: a bucket, a clean towel, a spray bottle with an adjustable spray nozzle, a small brush. Remove your Midea U from the window and set it in an area where water dripping or draining won't be a problem. Place a bucket and towel under the Midea U to catch any excess water. Remove the drain plug to let any excess water drain out during cleaning. Remove the front grill and filter. Vacuum any loose debris from the filter, front grill, and evaporator coil area. Wash the filter with warm water and a small amount of mild dish detergent. Rinse completely with running warm water and allow to dry completely. To begin cleaning the fan wheel, manually rotate the front louver to the open position. Spray warm water on the fan wheel and shroud to remove any accumulated debris. Use a brush to rotate the fan wheel and remove additional debris if necessary. Repeat these steps until the fan is clean. Spray warm water on the evaporator coil and white plastic evaporator drain pan to remove any accumulated debris. Use a towel to wipe up any remaining moisture on the evaporator drain pan. Reinstall the filter, front grill, and drain plug. Refer to the user manual for complete installation instructions to reinstall your Midea U. Click the following link to obtain the user manual for your Midea U if necessary.